Hey traders, in this video we are breaking down the ADR order block finder indicator for MT4. Okay, it's quite an effective tool that helps you identify bullish and bearish trends like a pro. So stick around to learn how to use this indicator effectively in your trading strategy. Okay, so right now I'm going to be adding the ADR order block finder indicator. All right. All right, here we go. So the ADR order block finder indicator is designed to measure advanced decline order ratios. Okay, giving traders an insight into market strength, all right, and trend direction. So here's how it works. It compares the previous day's orders with today's orders to measure price shifts. It calculates the average range between the highest and lowest prices over a specific period. All right. The indicator then plots two lines, blue for bullish and red for bearish. Okay, helping traders visualize market strength. This tool is most effective on shorter time frames such as the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. All right, so that makes it quite a good one to consider for scalpers, and short-term traders. All right. Okay, how do you use this indicator for trading? If you are trading in an uptrend, if you're trading in an uptrend, you identify the ADR start, you identify the ADR start, ADR start point on the chart. Then if the blue lines increase, this indicates a bullish trend is forming. So traders can enter a buy trade, but should confirm the trend using RSI or MACD. Okay. Then you continue tracking the ADR distance to monitor trend strength. You can see what is this information that is displayed on the top left corner. It shows ADR this, today this, and then it shows the distance from the bearish OB and the distance from the bullish OB. Okay, so if you are trading in a downtrend, right, what we can see happening here. If the red lines increase, right, in a downtrend, if the red lines increase, it signals a bearish trend. Okay, so if the red lines increase, it signals a bearish trend. So traders should be looking for sell opportunities after confirming with other indicators. The indicator helps traders identify potential reversals, making it easier to manage trades. So this indicator does not provide direct buy or sell signals. Okay, it's important for you to take note of that. The indicator does not give you specific points to buy or specific points to sell. It just helps you identify some important information: your ADR high, your OB, your ADR low, your OB. Okay, you can see the OB for the blue OB, the red OB. So it just identifies those important price points for you, but it does not give you precise entry points. It doesn't give you precise exit points or entry points. Okay, but the indicator will help you to determine market conditions before making a move. So why is the ADR order block indicator, ADR order block finder indicator effective? One is early trend direction. It helps traders to spot reversals before they happen. Okay, and it's quite great for trend confirmation as well, because it works well with other indicators like the RSI and MACD, right? And it's quite good for short-term trading. Okay, it's best used on M30 and H1 charts, right? And it tracks bullish and bearish trend, providing a clear visual representation of market movement. So this makes it an essential tool for traders looking to improve accuracy and refine their strategies. Okay. Now you can actually combine the ADR order block finder indicator with other indicators. For example, if you want to add the RSI, the RSI helps you confirm overbought and oversold conditions for additional trade confidence. So when you get some information from the ADR order block finder, and you are looking for sell opportunities, perhaps when the price gets towards the OB, the order block identified for a sell, you just ensure that the RSI is also around overbought territory, then you can look for sell opportunities. Or maybe when the price gets towards the order block identified for a buy, then you can just look out for oversold conditions on the RSI. Okay. Another indicator that you can add is the MACD. All right. The MACD indicator, helps identify momentum shifts before making trade decisions. Okay. So you can actually use this also to complement the signals or the information given to you by the ADR order block finder indicator. You can also decide to add the Bollinger Bands for additional confirmation. Remember that the Bollinger Bands assist in detecting volatility breakouts for better entries. All right. So using this combination, traders can enhance their strategy and ensure higher accuracy in their trades. Okay. The ADR order block finder indicator for MT4 is quite an effective tool for spotting trends and tracking market movement. So it's best used with other indicators to fine-tune trading strategies. All right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.